Bill Wells here at the ISC 2023. Please introduce the IQ panel to us.
Absolutely. Brad and I are walking around. We're really excited about this new panel from the IQ Qolsys panel because it's a stripped down version. It's everything the IQ panel has that you love. Lights, locks, thermostats, alarm.com, everything that you want. There's no screen. Why would I want no screen? You don't need the screen. You can add this if you want to, but you do everything from your phone anyway. You cut down all that cost and expense, but this can be expanded to do everything that you want to do in your small business or home. It's a fantastic panel. They're coming out with a wireless touch keypad. They also have a version of the old keypads like we wanted to use. They have an Empower G, so you're not worried about wireless network connections and that type thing. A lot of exciting things coming out of alarm.com, coming from Qolsys later this year, so stay tuned.
Hey, and they responded to why this is out here, which is people wanted something as inexpensive as some of the lower end stuff in the industry like Simplisafe, but they wanted the features of a Ferrari. So they got the price point of a Simplisafe with the features of a Ferrari, right?
Everything you want in that Qolsys panel, all the sensors, everything that you want to use in a more cost-effective option. That's what it's about.
Hey, please like and subscribe.